Welcome to 2451 Midtown Avenue, Unit 412. As you enter this large foyer, I want to show you this kitchen. You will love this kitchen. You will enjoy all of the space you have with the granite countertops, the gas stove range for cooking, along with the built-in microwave. On this other side, you have all this beautiful cabinetry to store your favorite dishes, any type of cooking utensils, anything you need. Dual sinks. Then I want to show you the pantry. A lot of condos don't actually have a pantry like this. This living room is an entertainer's dream. This spacious room will hold plenty of guests. In this home, you'll enjoy the room you have for entertaining. You've got a beautiful area for dining with some wonderful natural light. Okay, I want to show you my favorite part of this home that I absolutely adore. As the new owner of this home, you get to decide what you want to do with the space. Is it going to be a den? Is it going to be an office? Is it going to be a guest bedroom? You decide. This primary suite is wonderful. The size cannot be beat. Plenty of room for a king-size bed with 2 end tables. Bring your chest, your armoire, hang your TV. Now, this is another essential feature that the seller had installed. This is an Alpha system from the Container Store. I'm not sure if you're familiar with it, but it is to die for. You will love it. The washer and dryer is so close by, you won't even need a laundry basket. The entire home has been freshly painted with a neutral gray that any buyer will love. Another amenity you'll enjoy at the Midtown Alexandria Station is this amazing residence lounge. There's a coffee and tea bar. There is a wet bar over here and plenty of other things for you to enjoy. Thank you for taking this wonderful tour of this luxurious condo at Midtown Alexandria Station. For more information, please reach out to the Nellis Group.